Are you having trouble sampling colors? I'm going to show you the easiest way you can create a color palette or even a color theme using a referenced image in Procreate. Right, so first of all, you just want to open up your browser and find an image that you like. You might have already come across this. And the idea here is to save it in a specific location on your iPad so that Procreate can reference it. So here we have this nice sort of sunset with a lot of purples. We're going to hold down on the image and add it to our photos. So once you have your photo, you're going to want to open up your project in Procreate and then navigate to the color picker in the top right corner. Now at the bottom you will see there's 5 tabs. We're going to hover over the palettes, and from here we have a few options, and what we're going to do is click on the plus in the top right, and we can either create a new palette from scratch or we can import it from a specific location on our iPad. In this case we saved our image in photos, so we're going to click on photos and select the image, and there's a palette. Now just to show you guys a quick comparison, I am going to open up the image and just so we can see them side by side, and as you can see the colors have been taken across, and yeah, that's pretty much it.